Hi ma'am and sir, my name is Joanna Ruth Empentojo. I came from Manila, Philippines. I am 33 years old, married, and I'm blessed with two children. They are all boys, ages 7 years old and 11 years old. My height is 152 centimeter and I am a college graduate and I took up Bachelor in Public Administration. I am a hardworking person, honest, trustworthy, patient to children, reliable, flexible, and dedicated. I always see to it that I do my very best in every task that is given to me. I will be honored to do an interview with you to tell you more information about my experience. I am looking forward to be working with you and to be part of your family. And if I were about to taking care of your children, I will assure you that I will treat them as my own. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities and follow your rules and regulations. Thank you and have a nice day.